A city street pulses with unrelenting energy, a symphony of car horns and construction noise. Towering billboards mock with flashing deadlines as Anna forces a smile, masking her weariness. She pushes through the throng, a whirlwind of activity swirling around her. The city's chaos envelops her, a raw visual assault on the senses. In the quiet solitude of her dimly lit apartment, Anna seeks solace through meditation. The city's vibrant energy fades into a distant hum as Anna delves inward. A subtle furrow etches her brow, a silent testament to the inner turmoil that stirs beneath her calm facade. Behind closed eyelids, her eyes dart restlessly, revealing a mind struggling to find peace. In the depths of her thoughts, a voice echoes. The world teaches us to run faster, louder, busier. Anna remains still, the internal struggle evident as she confronts the world's relentless demands. Bathed in the soft glow of natural light, Anna finds herself seated among fellow seekers, eyes gently closed as tranquility envelops her. The retreat leader's voice, a soothing balm, fills the air, guiding the group deeper into mindful presence. Mindfulness isn't about stopping thoughts. It's about watching them like clouds drifting across the sky. The retreat leader gently guides. The city's clamor fades, replaced by nature's gentle chorus, birdsong and whispering breezes, as Anna's face softens with peace. This scene represents the beginning of my journey back to myself, a return to home. The narration whispers as Anna's subtle smile deepens.